Getting started turning your hobby into a profitable business. 2 examples. 1. You've always loved spending time in your garden, tending to your plants and flowers. Over the years, you've developed a real passion for it and have even started dabbling in horticulture. Recently, you've been thinking about turning your hobby into a business. After doing some research, you realize that there is a great demand for fresh flowers and plants. You decide to take the plunge and start your own floral business. You start small, operating out of your home garage. To get the word out about your business, you pass out flyers in your neighborhood and post ads on local online classifieds websites. Within a few weeks, you start getting regular customers. Things are going well and you're soon ready to expand. You move into a small storefront in the town center and hire a couple of employees to help with the day-to-day operations. Business is booming and you're making a name for yourself as the go-to place for fresh flowers and plants. As your business continues to grow, you start considering ways to further increase profits. You decide to open an online store and begin shipping products all over the country. You also launch a successful marketing campaign that helps spread the word about your brand even further. In no time at all, your little hobby has turned into a full-fledged business. 2. As a kid, Mark loved spending time in his granddad's workshop. He was always fascinated by the way his granddad could take a pile of wood and turn it into something beautiful. When he was old enough, Mark started helping out in the workshop and quickly developed a passion for woodworking. After finishing school, Mark decided to turn his passion into a business. He started small, making and selling furniture out of his garage. Business was slow at first, but with some hard work and determination, Mark soon built up a loyal customer base. Now, years later, Mark's woodworking business is thriving. He's even able to support himself and his family entirely on the income from his business. It all started with a love for woodworking and a willingness to turn that passion into something profitable.